got hot-handed right?
Yeah. Just been running errands today. Heading home soon. Not sure about this matte lipstick. I feel like I look like a clown with this color and matte. So we'll see. What do you guys think? Ran out to the store to grab a couple things to do some baking, and it started to pour down. So just my luck, just getting home, getting ready to head in and hang out for a little while.
Like the first initial mow. It's looking kind of messy now. I feel like
Victoria, I feel like I'll be like 3 hours away from them, which, yeah, really make a lot of sense. So yeah, we're gonna have
the plans of the house, and we've actually got.
So it's morning. My husband left for work at like 5. I'm having my shake for breakfast and the kids are playing. They already had their breakfast. And basically this is just going to be a regular day of how it is when my husband works. So yeah.
Let's go find Dad. Yeah, let's find Dad. Find Dad. Yeah, we're gonna find Dad. I need to spin a hat. Mama. I'll sit.
So we have construction going on in the neighborhood, and they're building, I don't know if you can see, 2 houses next to us. One's just a slab, and one they have the frame up. So this is what our cul-de-sac looks like right now. I just made lunch for the kids. I'm gonna either have a shake or something to eat. Then they'll play a little bit and take a nap for a few hours. Here, sit. And eat your sandwich. Eat your sandwich, please.
Yeah. Oh. This is my nose.
What are you doing? Charlotte. Lincoln. Doing a little beauty treatment now that the kids are down. Just doing a kale sheet mask while I watch TV, and then I'll shower and probably just relax for the rest of the night. And my husband will be home in the morning. He works from 7 a.m. to 7 a.m. so he'll get off at 7 in the morning and be home around 8 or so.